In this episode, we go to the most famous cultural monument in the world. And also explore the city of Athens.
Let's go.
Bye.
Goodbye.
We had been on the island of Santorini, but we're now coming into the capital of Greece, Athens.
Hello and welcome to Athens, to the airport. So now we're on our way to the metro. It's located just outside of the airport, and it's gonna be a lot cheaper than if you would take a taxi. Never mind, the best way is to take the bus into the city because it's only 6 euros. So now I know all the information about the cheapest way to get into Athens. You're gonna take bus X95 and it costs 6 euros. Floor. Here is where you have to buy the bus ticket. We've been walking for 10 minutes here in Athens now, and everything looks almost the same. We have some older buildings, a little bit dirty, a little bit rough. Okay.
Get some fruit.
We are in Athens now. We just got to a hotel. The sun is really nice. Huh?
Wait, I want to film. You need to get it right now.
The sun was going down, and we had come into downtown Athens and were standing on top of a hotel where we would be staying for the night. I quickly learned from standing on top of the hotel that every building in Athens has the same height. The reason for this is not to block the view of the world-famous Acropolis and the temple of Parthenon that stands on a hill downtown Athens. Athens is one of the world's oldest cities. It's believed that humans lived in this city around 10,000 years before Christ. The city was once green and had many temple complexes, like Acropolis and the Parthenon. But today it's filled with buildings no higher than 12 floors, because that's the height restriction.
Tomorrow we are going to one of the most famous attractions here in Athens, the Acropolis. I am really excited. I think she's excited too. But now she's doing some filming. It's getting a bit cold here in Athens. It's December, but we got one of the greatest views I think we could possibly get. We are sitting here now with the view of Acropolis. You can see it in the background, and she's gonna drink coffee. But yeah, it's nice actually. Not bad. There's a balcony, and we have a view of there's a street.
Some parts of Athens are nice, but there are also a lot of areas full of graffiti.
We're here now and we got so much food, and it's actually pretty cheap compared to what we got in Santorini these past couple of days. So much food and really cheap. Greek salad and pita gyros, bunch of chicken, and, feta cheese, and bread and olive oil.
Wait,
The next day.
Right, let's head out. Oof, it's early in the morning.
We were getting ready to head out to Acropolis, but first we were having some really nice breakfast at the hotel.
Taxi time.
Okay. Acropolis, Parthenon, imus.
Do you know the difference between FHD and Acropolis?
On our way to Acropolis, we saw the temple of Olympian Zeus, which has been standing in Athens for nearly 3,000 years. It was dedicated to the Olympian god Zeus and used to have more than 100 columns, but today only has 16 remaining columns.
We are here now at the Acropolis and we just got the tickets. It costs 20 euros to get in.
We were walking up the hills to Acropolis, which in Greek means highest point. There are a few different temples on the hill, Parthenon being the most famous one, but also the temple of Athena, dedicated to the Greek goddess Athena. Large parts of the temple complex were destroyed during the Persian invasion of Athens 500 years before Christ.
We are inside Acropolis.
We were walking up to the Acropolis and saw a famous ancient Greek theater named Odeon of Herodes Atticus. It was used in ancient Greece for music festivals.
We are on our way up Acropolis. This place was built actually more than 2,000 years ago, and it's so preserved. It's like you're here thousands of years ago.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Acropolis and the Parthenon is regarded as an enduring symbol of ancient Greece, and it's one of few monuments that were not destroyed. It's also one of the world's greatest cultural monuments.
Here we are at Parthenon, which is the most famous part of Acropolis. It was attributed to the Temple of Rome and the Roman Emperor Octavius Augustus. Parthenon, how do we like it? How do we like Acropolis?
Acropolis is beautiful.
Right now we are heading back to the hotel after some trouble. No more phone.
We took a taxi to get our stuff, get something to eat, then head to the airport.
We came back to the same place we went to yesterday and we ordered the same thing. A Greek salad, feta cheese and tomato. We are back at the airport.
Without a phone.
No phone for her. It's been lost in Acropolis.
We had put the phone on the wall of Acropolis and walked away, and didn't notice it until we looked at the video later on.
I still don't know what the name of it is.
Maria was going back to the United States, but we had a good time on the island of Santorini and the island of Crete in Greece.
It's so good. Oh my gosh. I'm in heaven.
I was on my way back to the island of Crete in Greece, where I had been living for the past 3 months.
Hello. I'm a bit tired because we didn't sleep much last night, but now I'm back in Crete and I'm gonna get a taxi and head back to where I'm staying. This will be the end of the vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.